The United States has carried out a major overnight military operation in Iran, an event that could reshape the region and even global energy markets. This has not only toppled the markets but has left the diplomatic and political world in a wave of shocks. This is what happened. According to Pentagon sources, the operation targeted three of Iran's most sensitive nuclear sites: Fordow uranium enrichment plant, the Natanz nuclear facility, and the Isfahan Nuclear Technology Center. These locations are all central to Iran's nuclear program. US officials say the strikes were launched to neutralize what they describe as threats to regional and international security using advanced stealth bombers and precision-guided missiles. Now here's an important reaction from the region. Israel has publicly praised the US for its actions. Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu called it a courageous decision, saying, and I quote, "Future generations will note that President Donald Trump took action to prevent the world's most perilous regime from obtaining the most dangerous weapons." Other top Israeli officials echoed the sentiment, with one opposition leader stating the strikes averted a nuclear arms race in the Middle East and made the region safer. Back to the story. Tensions have soared following these strikes. Iranian leaders have threatened to retaliate, and one of their most powerful options is closing the Strait of Hormuz. For those who may not know, the Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway at the mouth of Persian Gulf. About 1/5 of the world's oil passes through it every single day. If Iran shuts it down, oil tankers would be blocked and global energy prices could skyrocket. As per reports, Trump has now asked China to intervene and urge Iran to not shut the strait down. Already we're seeing early signs of this happening. Oil prices have jumped and shipping companies are closely monitoring the situation. The threat to close the strait is real, and if it happens, the impact would be felt around the world. So what does this mean for the future? Analysts are warning of several possible repercussions. First, we could see increased military tensions with further strikes or counterattacks. Second, the global economy could take a hit from higher oil prices. And third, diplomatic efforts to resolve the conflict may become even more difficult. For now, the world watches and waits. We'll continue to bring you the latest developments as they unfold. Stay with us for more updates. This is Gunjan Handa for the Asian Chronicle.